Today on Pappa's Projects, I wanted to share another resource that I have of where I'm able to buy lithium-ion phosphate batteries for your solar off-grid use. These are great battery banks and they're very, very affordable. Now they have them in 12 volt, 24, 36, and 48 volt on these battery banks. And they have, a lot of them are already in metal cases where you just use the Anderson cable and you connect that to your inverter. If we look, you can toggle between these different pages and find batteries, all different size battery banks. And they have quite a selection here for the DIY person that's looking to use a battery bank off grid. I just wanted to share this with you real quick. If you want, you can contact them at this phone number up here and they'll answer your questions. I've contacted them several times and they're really great at answering your questions. So if you have any questions before you purchase, don't hesitate to give them a call. Also, if you put in the code DIY Solar, you'll get an extra 5% off on your entire purchase. So put in DIY SOLAR, DIY Solar, and get that extra 5% off on your purchase today. And just wanted to share this with you real quick. Hope it helps you in building your off-grid system. And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so when we put up new videos, you're notified. Once again, I hope you have a truly wonderful and very blessed day. And we'll see you again on Pappa's Projects.